Bury the hatchet is an idiomatic expression that means to reconcile or make peace with someone, especially after a disagreement or conflict. The phrase originated from the practice of Native American tribes in the United States, who would literally bury a hatchet or other weapon as a symbolic gesture of ending hostilities. Today, it is used metaphorically to suggest the resolution of a dispute or the restoration of a harmonious relationship. The expression implies a willingness to let go of past grievances, forgive, and move forward. It acknowledges that holding on to grudges or resentments can be detrimental to personal relationships, as well as to the overall well-being and harmony of a community or society. Burying the hatchet is an act of reconciliation, understanding, and goodwill. By burying the hatchet, individuals or groups choose to put aside their differences and focus on finding common ground or shared interests. It signifies a commitment to overcome animosity, animus, or any negative feelings that may have been present in the past. It promotes healing, understanding, and the possibility of building stronger relationships based on trust, empathy, and mutual respect. Burying the hatchet is often associated with the notion of forgiveness. It involves letting go of resentments, grudges, or anger towards others, and embracing a more positive and constructive approach to resolving conflicts. It recognizes the inherent value of preserving relationships, fostering unity, and promoting a sense of peace and reconciliation. The act of burying the hatchet can take different forms depending on the context. It may involve a sincere apology, a willingness to listen and understand different perspectives, a commitment to compromise, or a joint effort to find common solutions to shared problems. It requires humility, open-mindedness, and a genuine desire for resolution. While burying the hatchet does not erase the past or dismiss the hurt or pain caused by a conflict, it provides an opportunity for individuals or groups to move forward and create a more positive future. It allows for growth, personal development, and the building of stronger and more meaningful relationships. In conclusion, bury the hatchet encapsulates the idea of letting go of past grievances, reconciling differences, and fostering peace and harmony. It emphasizes the importance of forgiveness, understanding, and the willingness to work towards resolution. By burying the hatchet, individuals and communities can pave the way for a more inclusive, compassionate, and cooperative society.